Hey yo, it's Theo. Now I'm at the start of the Helix Bridge. We connect us to Marina Bay. But I found something interesting because in here we have this youth Olympic Park. Well, I read the description, and it's supposed to commemorate the Youth Olympic in 2010. So in here we have like the painting and the artist, the name. Yeah, it's so cute. More painting down below. And what's that? Oh, there's like thing to commemorate. And here more painting. Maybe it's like the national competition and they got this painting as a result. That looks awesome. Oh, yes. Okay, we can face the giant. What is biang lala? Nila. Dah. Nah. Berarti Singapore 2010 Youth Olympic Games. Ini kayak nama-nama peserta Olimpiade pertama dari Singapore Youth Olympic Games in 2010. Ya, the first Young Olympians. Oke. Nah, di sini nih kita ada collage foto-foto dari Young Olympian. Wow, there are so many of them. Let's just walk this part slowly. The name, the pictures. Names, pictures. Okay, now we're at the end of the park. Here. Yeah. The park. And we're gonna walk to Marina Bay. See you on the next video. Ciao.